What's going on, guys? I want to do a little daily bias video before London session. It's currently 10:56, so we are extremely early for for London session. But I want to mark up right now and then have everything ready so I can do the daily bias video now, and then after I can do the market recap because we're trading GJ tonight in London. So let's start with the daily higher time frames. Always first. Let's see. We are currently bullish. We broke structure to the upside, right? We're having a little retracement right now. It was probably liquidity grab from these highs. I can see though, right? Let's go one more down. We're still bullish. We can see higher highs, higher low, higher highs. We're having a little retracement around now, but we're still bullish, right? This candle hasn't closed yet. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Okay, in the 1 hour, this candle doesn't close yet, but it looks like we are going bearish, filling probably this fair value gap, which has been filled already. Okay, and then let's go down to the 15-minute. So this time frame is normally where the time frame we trade on, right? So let's mark out our highs and lows, right? London high, London low. Okay, so what can we see? Let me put that my ADHD, right? So what can we see? We have the London high, London low. You can see in Asian session we took out we had a liquidity grab. We took out London lows. It came back up. We're grabbing liquidity. We broke structure down to the we broke structure. So if in the higher time frames we're bullish. In the lower time frames we're bearish, which is kind of what we want to see because that means we're having a little retracement. So we want to have a liquidity sweep from the bottom, and we just target the top. Pretty simple setup. So this looked good until we had this break of structure and validating of the trade, because then this could have been an order block. This looked like a rejection of the order block, but then it got validated with this. We didn't have a break of structure and it got validated. We had a break structure to the downside. So you want to see how that plays out. We're obviously not trading Asian. We just want to see what we played out and then what we can look forward to. What I would like to see, this could be also another liquidity grab. It hasn't closed yet. Oh well, 23 seconds. But what I would like to see is, well, this to get taken, and then we just target these highs, and then we can also target more highs from the higher time frame, right? Let's see. Oh, we also have these fair value gaps, but we don't want to. We're looking for those. We know that we can. Let me mark these out. We have these fair value gaps. This one is getting filled. I want to see a reaction out of that one to keep going for longs. I don't want to trade against my daily bias. We have another one here, and then we have another one, a small one here, but I'm not going to trade that, right? Like, I'm not going to mark that one right now because we still have this one on top. If this one gets filled, I'll mark that one out. And then we have this order block down here as well. We're having a retracement, but what I do like is if we use our equilibrium or Fibonacci, this area marks out exactly, like the 50% line marks out with this fair value gap, right? And then with this small one too. So for the long run, I would like these two to get filled to potentially keep looking for longs. So, well, we'll obviously see after the market recap. I'm looking for longs. So I'm looking for longs in GJ. We're not gonna trade. We don't trade against our daily buyers, right? We want to see this one, a reaction out of this one, a reaction out of this, or a reaction out of this, and then a reaction out of the 50% mark, the equilibrium mark, or Fibonacci mark, the 50. If I see two break of structure or a order block reaction or a fair value gap reaction, would like to keep looking for longs, and then target 4-hour highs, daily highs, all that stuff. So we'll see how it looks. And then tomorrow we have a PPI. won't be trading out at all, so that's why I want to send out a London signal and see what we get. So this is what I'll be looking out for, and then yeah, that's it. I'll be sending in a couple hours after London session. I'll be doing a trade recap, see what we got out of this, if we enter the trade or not, and then move on to the next one. That's it. See you guys next time.